as part of the diversification of business segments. Production process, from the materials to the press and processing. And by 2006, we started GRP sectional water tank production. Now leading manufacturer of the press-formed industry with the nation's largest production, including the largest. They are now supplied to the nation's leading construction companies for apartment buildings and to companies abroad in many Asian countries and the Middle East. For GRP sectional water tank, another major product of we do our utmost in manufacturing and managing with a sense of duty to supply clean and hygienic water safely to our customers. Sheet molding compound raw materials are compression molded at high temperatures to produce panels for GRP water tank. They can easily be bolted together to assemble at site and to have a variety of applications from the small capacity of less than 10 tons to a much larger capacity. GRP water tank is a prefabricated water tank that can be built in the conditions of pillars at a site like L-shape, U-shape, or pillar wrapped assembly. Especially, GRP panels that are used as the water tank materials have acquired WRAS standard from the UK, which is the World Drinking Water Standard, as well as Singapore's PSP standard for water tank safety. GRP water tank has received credit for the best sanitation and safety since it is produced using structure analysis of load resistance for not only 4 times and 6 times of regular hydraulic pressure, but also earthquakes, typhoons, and heavy snowfall. Employees focus extra hard on training, quality, and process controls in order to mix. And to be Korea's technology company, bringing the future to the world.